This is V from a Canadian RV Array. Today we're at the Florida Tampa RV show for 2024, and we're looking at all the Forest River products. Now this one is one of their top end units, and this is the Charleston. It's a 45D, it's a tag axle, it's on a Freightliner chassis, and we'll just take a walk down and give you a look. Now this is one long bay here, or a slide out, sorry, and the entertainment system is right in there, of course, and I don't know if this will open up. Yep. So there's your entertainment system on this Charleston, and tag axle. So let's keep walking down. We'll give you a quick look of the outside of it. And also what they've done on all the Charlestons is to open them up. It's an electric latch. So you just touch that and it opens up. You have access to all of your fluids, which are right there, which is really nice. And we'll close this up again. So again, how you open it is with that little button right there. You touch it, it turns blue, and it releases the latch. Very nicely done. See if we can show you a bit of the back part of it. Tag axle on the Michelin's 22.5. I won't open up any of these bays on this side because it's under the slide out. It's kind of a little bit hard to get to them. Let's take a look inside. Very nicely laid out on the Freightliner chassis. Of course, there's a slide out that comes out and fills that hole there. Paddle shifter, all electronic dash. So now going down the driver's side, the first thing we come to is the kitchen area. And our big side-by-side fridge and freezer. Looks like they're doing a little bit of repair on the dishwasher here, so we'll pass that. Convection microwave. Right up here we have a fantastic fan. Single lever faucet. Deep sink. And picture of the faucet. More storage space. Of course, the flooring is all large ceramic flooring. Nice couch, and I would say probably this side is where the TV is, where it comes up out of the cabinet. More storage cabinet here. We're looking at the one bathroom here, and this is a full bathroom with a shower. The emergency exit door is right there. Another fantastic fan up there. And of course the sink is molded right into the countertop. Our Dometic toilet. And just moving back this way, it's a little dark back here, but again, the bed is a reclining bed. And we're going to keep walking past, again, down the driver's side. We're going to look at it. Right in here probably would be the washer and the dryer. It is right there. A very nice shower, very large skylight at the top. And a nice sitting area there for the shower. Two nice sinks, totally embedded into the countertop. Going down the passenger side. Oh, there we go. Now we got all the lights on. Give you one more quick look around while the lighting on. More cabinets, more storage. All illuminated inside. We just brought all the lighting up here. A nice fan in the ceiling. And you got a fireplace in this one in the bedroom. Again, with the 2 bathrooms comes a bunk that you can take this bunk and fold it up if you're not going to be using it. There is a nice couch, very big couch that we can watch TV, which will probably come up on that side. A dinette area, very nicely laid out. And again, this model does have a bunk. So this is the Charleston. And it's one of Forest River's top-end products. Another quick look around.